Anyways, I'm going to go on. Here's a song I wrote about. One thing amazes me about the Ottawa Valley and the Ottawa River in particular is the thousands of years of travel of Indigenous people, and then the fur trade that happened in the late 1600s, and the voyageurs and the coureurs de bois that paddled every year up the Ottawa River from the late 1600s right to the late 1800s. For 200 years, these guys were paddling from near Montreal all the way up to Thunder Bay. And that's before they had the power dams in the river, and they'd have to navigate these portages and their canoes. The heavier canoes were 600 pounds, and the lighter canoes were 450 pounds, and they're carrying 120 pounds of pack on their back. I have no idea how these guys could have done this. They didn't have tents, and they're eating I guess, survival food. And they did this for 200 years. That's like 6 generations of paddlers that were doing this. And so this next song is about that. It's called La Riviere. The river flows from north to south, and streams of light to never doubt. Upon this route come men of force, carrying furs of size from the lands of north. Tales of wild times of blight, endure the cold to sleep at night. Crates of supplies carried over land, hardship bared, traditions ran. This is the blood of our ancestral past, times of frontier, times of first flight. Tracks of these men are marked in the stones of the riverbed washed by ages of flow. From Thunder Bay to Montreal, along the Manitou and the Mattawa, the Outaouais brought sense of home, charging south as winter fell. This is the blood of our ancestral past, times of frontier, times of first flight. Tracks of these men are marked in the stones of the riverbed washed by ages of flow. Of the riverbed washed by ages of flow. Thanks very much.